How to leave a review on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can leave a review on Temu. For this, launch open the Temu app on your device. Now, you want to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen, then tap on your orders. All of your orders will be visible over here. You want to find the relevant order and open the order details page. Now, you want to click on Leave a Review option. You will be then able to leave individual reviews and ratings. You can also upload photos or videos for each item in your order. The more descriptive you are with your review, the more helpful it will be to other customers. When you are done leaving your review, simply tap on the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Your review will be posted in the Customers Review section. For the items you ordered, if you would like to anonymize your name, remember to check the Hide Your Name option under the Submit button. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.